Check it out. Here's cannabis is everywhere. Supposedly it's illegal again, but it's still everywhere. Oh, I can't have any of that. Or any of that. No alcohol, no sugar, no nothing. No nothing but protein. Protein and not even carbs. No sugar. I'm dying, y'all, but at least I'm getting in shape. Oh, I've been dying for something like this. I've been dying, y'all, I've been dying. But then you see the results and you're like, okay, I could do it a little while longer. This is dangerous, really dangerous, because they give you like all you can drink for like $4.99 baht. Fish, different types of lobsters. Different types of shrimp, I don't even know what this is. Sleep here too. So they work here and sleep here. Move money. They don't bite? That exactly right there is why a lot of people get sick when they eat here in Thailand. You don't know if he was just scratching his ass or what. Thank you. Seafood. Hello.
Hello. What do you have?
What do you have?
You like something seafood, my friend?
No, not hungry right now. Thank you.
Tomorrow, okay, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That's the one thing. Hello. No, I'm good. Thank you. Just recording. Yeah. Some of these places have shark, which is illegal, especially a certain type of shark. They have a whole documentary about it. I want to find a secluded place where I can just go take a dip. That's what I need. But all these Thai people got this place on lock. You want to enter somewhere, you gotta pay. Big old fish. Look at that big old fish over there. Man. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Look at that, you see it? Big old lobster too, man, look at that. 2,500 baht. I think I might find my place, guys, if I keep walking. And I'm low energy because I'm fasting. I had a 2.5 hour workout where I brutalized back. Well, I had protein shake, two scoops. So technically not fasting, I guess, but look, and just like everywhere they're building. See? I like that the tire friendly too. I just don't like it when they're overly friendly, because that means they want something from you. So check it out. Rawai Beach is going down. Look at this. Still not an ideal place to take a dip. I'll find it. I'll find it for sure. You know. Nice. He's got a nice tan going right there. I don't know what type of tie that is. What say you guys? Would you guys mind living there? These little huts? Technically it's paradise. I didn't come up with this mug to not take a dip. Beautiful Rawai, Phuket. Here I'm gonna do kind of like I do in Ibiza, where I just found my own little cut. You guys don't have an apartment in Ibiza, check out all my Ibiza videos. I take you guys to all the cuts if you guys want to be by yourself. If you're a introvert like myself, I think you'll enjoy it. Messing up my new shoes. People live up in this mug, look. See a man enjoying himself right there. Kind of what I want to do. Away from folks. Definitely not gonna bug them. I'm gonna try to find my own spot. Look at this, guys. What do you think? Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. All things be to God. Thank you, Father, Lord, for continuously blessing me. Despite my disobedience and lack of discipline from time to time, repenting is key. Alright, I think that's gonna be my little creek right there. What do you call it? My little pool. That's gonna be it. You can't come to Phuket and not get into the water, guys. You can't go anywhere in the world where the beach is the highlight and not go in the water. Come on, y'all. Even if you guys are some country folk from Alabama or from wherever, Mississippi, wherever, Tennessee, Nebraska, I don't know. Other places in the UK that don't have beaches. Places in Africa that don't have beaches, and you guys are afraid of this. You guys gotta get in. You gotta get in. That's what it's all about. This is it, y'all. I done made it. So take my clothes off and get in.